Hello, scholars. How to read and interpret OCT, ONH, and RNFL analysis printouts. Welcome to today's discussion, where we will explore how to effectively read and interpret ONH and RNFL analysis printouts from OCT scans. Just like explained in our previous video, this technology is indispensable for diagnosing and monitoring numerous retinal pathologies. It does this by producing scanned images of the retinal layers on different printouts, understanding OCT interpretation. An ONH and RNFL analysis printout consists of the following segments: the patient data, the signal strength, the RNFL thickness map, the RNFL deviation map, and the RNFL thickness graphs. Below are the steps to ensure a thorough and accurate interpretation. Step 1. Confirm patient information and signal strength. Before analyzing the OCT image, verify the patient's details to ensure the correct report is being reviewed. Also, check the scan quality by examining the signal strength. Ideally, this should be greater than or equal to 6 for reliable results. Step 2. Examine the RNFL thickness map. The RNFL thickness map provides a color-coded visualization of the retinal nerve fiber layer's thickness. Normal thickness appears in warm colors as red and yellow. Thinner areas indicating potential pathology appear in cool colors as blue and green. A healthy RNFL map typically presents as a symmetrical yellow butterfly wing pattern around the optic nerve head. Step 3. Examine the RNFL deviation map. This section compares the patient's RNFL thickness to age-matched normative data. Red and yellow indicates deviations from normal, suggesting possible pathology, while gray signifies normal thickness. Step 4. Examine the RNFL thickness graph. A healthy RNFL thickness graph exhibits a double hump pattern due to the thicker superior and inferior RNFL regions. The plotted lines of a healthy RNFL should fall within the green zone of the graph. Step 5. Examine the RNFL quadrants and clock hour graphs. These graphs display the RNFL thickness in quadrants or clock hour segments. Green signifies normal thickness, yellow signifies borderline thinning, and red signifies abnormal thinning, which is indicative of a pathology. Step 6. Evaluate key parameters. This section provides numerical values that can be compared to the normal ranges. Values within the normal range appear in green, while values outside the normal range appear in cool colors as yellow or red, signaling a potential concern. Mastering these steps will significantly enhance your ability to detect early glaucomatous changes before functional vision loss occurs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on optometry.